Boom! We are pre-recorded today, ladies and gentlemen, coming at you from Bali, Indonesia. And one of the extremely exciting things about Bitcoin that I want to talk about today, well, I guess you're going to have to wait for it, but it starts with bull, and then we'll move in from there. Let's dive right into the charts here. I want to share something with you, again, that I am very excited about. Now, for those of you that are in the Private Bear family member group, you are super excited. We have been watching this potential bull flag follow through for quite some time, and we were justified in our assertions just the other day when we broke down to around 7.7 thousand, and to be a little bit angelic about it, $7,777 and around 95 cents yesterday, I saw hovering right near the bottom of these wicks. Now, the reason this is important is because we had speculated and built conjecture around the next 6 months of movement from this incoming bull flag. Now, bull flags, as we will show you here in just 1 second, the bull flag potentials. So this is basically a rough drawing as in case there is the bull flag pull, as we can see one on Bitcoin currently identifying itself in this upward trend. So here we have the flag and the flag pull. And now we'll skip back over. See, here was the flag pull. We saw from the bottom like this, up to the top like this, and the flag. So this is actually a very big flag and pull, and what's nice about this is you actually generally want to see almost a complete extension of what the flag pull was from the bottom of the flag and a continuation onwards. So if we drag this particular flag pull up and over, we see that this carries us almost as high as $20,000 in the next leg. And what's really interesting about this is it starts to fit into the larger conjecture that we had been building for the last 3 months. Damn, it feels good to be right sometimes, and even though we have not been totally justified in our assertions yet, it does look like it's going to turn out that way. This is the road to around $50,000 that we had speculated about in the previous months. As soon as we broke out past $6,000, we obviously had to change our lower term outlook. Now again, there is still room for downside here, but as any good trader will tell you and should be telling you, and if they're not, I would speculate whether or not they're a good trader or whether they're trading at all. Stop losses are extremely important to use, at least in your trading account. The difference between investing and trading is investing, you just want to continually add to your portfolio and not really look back, whereas trading is used as a more midterm way to capture some of that speculative energy and re-diversify into your portfolio, whether it's gold, silver, property, or equity in business, or maybe you just want to buy yourself a new car for fun, which is considered a depreciative asset, but fun is good too. Invest in yourself, your own education, and the toys that you like to play with. I think that's a smart thing, but it's not an investment. Anyways, making a very clear assertion of the difference between these things is going to do you really well. So if we take a look at this now, the flag pull and flag could carry us upwards of $18,000. And again, this is what we've been talking about in the private bear members, man. So all the private bear members for the last 3 months had pretty much known this was going to happen. Now, again, we're not always right. Often we can be wrong, and that's the point of the stop loss. It allows your trading account to grow and build. So thank you for all the private bear members who had sent us so many wonderful emails of even saving them thousands of dollars, or some of them even making tens of thousands of dollars by going short at around 9,700. Again, that's not my style of playing. I much prefer a different avenue, but nonetheless, however you like to play, this information can be extremely valuable for you. Note that we only charge $30 a month for our private newsletter right now. So if you go to arcanebear.com, you join the club, it's $30 a month, and we will be raising our prices to $99 a month at the end of this year. And at that point as well, 10% of all of those memberships will go to help doing reforestation projects here in the Borneo rainforest, and hopefully as well in the Amazon as we grow our new impact project. You can follow that at Rivers of the Sky on Instagram as well, so please go take a look. It's a very, very important and close to my heart. And that's what we're doing, is we're separating out the orphanage, humanitarian, conservation stuff that we used to do at the Arcane Bear, put it somewhere else, and then that way we can stay focused on the financial wealth, investment, asset side of things, and that broader, larger conceptual value terminology that we've been bringing to the table for so long. I do want to keep this video short because I have lots of work to do today. Again, we are publishing the October newsletter. It will be in your inboxes within the next 48 hours, so keep an eye on that. As well, again, you can join the free newsletter, although it comes with significantly less interpreted value. What I have noticed is that unless people are actually investing in information, they generally don't do anything about it. That's one of the reasons why we decided to start to build the pay side of things, is people just action what they're learning significantly more when they're invested and have skin in the game. Anyways, we're going to leave it at that. Beautiful bull and bull flag. Bull flag pull, bull flag. This is a very strong indicator that we're going to be justified in all of our assertions. And I want to thank everyone who's been here for along the ride, because it's been one heck of a journey. It's T with the Arcane Bear, reminding you guys to give us the thumbs up if you like this content. Give us a thumbs down if you don't. Write your comments, like, subscribe, share. You can follow us on every social media platform known to mankind. And we really appreciate all your guys' support. I'm going to sign off here for the rest of the day. And we will be going in from there. So I'm going to give you the little bit of the